Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. Just coming on today because this is a beautiful day. It is very nice outside. Get outside today, put something in the ground, a seed, a potato. Just throw some bell pepper seeds on the ground, cover them, anything. Just put a just put a potato in a hole and cover it. Just put something in the ground, okay? But I just want to show you guys the progress we're making on our privacy fence. Now, I must say, this has been an experience, okay? Seeing how the galvanized steel was wrapped around U-post and trees, okay? It was utterly ridiculous trying to take off this galvanized steel gate from these trees. I'm going to show you an example of this tree and how they put the fence on the tree and wrapped it around and just rigged it to the maximum capacity. Let's see if I can show you this really quick. Okay, so one, there's that. I'm not even sure what that is. Okay? I'm not even sure what this is. And it was wrapped to that. And then let's move here. I also want to show you, look at how, what is that? Someone please. What is that? They've wrapped it with a tree and, excuse the wind, look how the T-post, U-post, whatever it is, the tree just grew around it and there's steel, metal, galvanized steel all inside the tree, just wrapped around. It's ridiculous. And then there's another one. Come on down. There's a dog, my neighbor's dog. Look at that. Look at that. My neighbor's dog. I've never seen anything like that before in my life. It was tough getting it off, and this tree needs to get out of the way. But I'm not sure how we're going to get that from the U-post from under there. Any ideas? Comment down below if you have any ideas on how to get that U-post from out of the tree so we can get the tree down. All right? Well, just wanted to come on and show you guys that because it was just ridiculous. It was tough getting that off even with the bolt cutters. It didn't make any sense at all. And then the dog, he barks and takes a break and comes back and barks for like 30 minutes. Comes back, barks another 30 minutes. Go take a break, pee or eat, either one. And then comes back to bark some more. But yes, just want to show you guys that. We got some of the posts up on the end. Hi there. Some of the posts on the end. Get outside. It's beautiful out. The dogs are barking. The fencing is tight. Just wanted to show you guys that. Well, comment down below, like I said, if you have any ideas. And subscribe, like, comment. No barking. Many blessings to you all. Have a great day.